Ever found yourself in a situation where you said something you instantly regretted? Well, let me introduce you to a clever little manipulation technique called the foot in the mouth technique. It's like stepping on a hidden landmine in a conversation. Picture this. You're engaged in a lively discussion with a mischievous character named Jack, who has a secret agenda. Jack knows just how to push your buttons and exploit your emotions. So when you least expect it, he slyly throws a controversial question your way, specifically designed to ruffle your feathers. Caught off guard, your emotions take the reins, and before you know it, you blurt out a hasty response that you'll later wish you could swallow back. Congratulations! You just unwittingly stepped right into Jack's trap, with your foot firmly in your mouth. Remember, it's essential to stay composed and think twice before succumbing to the provocations of cunning conversationalists like Jack. For more insightful information and engaging videos like this, grab your copy of my book, Ultimate Power, from the link in my bio today.